Hello guys, what's up? This is Murtaza. Welcome to a coder's journey. In this episode, I want to talk about average, sum, and also count as three aggregate functions. We have already talked about count. Count is used to count the number of rows who meet a criterion. Now, in the last episode, we talked about max and min. We said that max and min are used to get the maximum value and the minimum value out of our table. We talked about another table, the products table, and here I'm gonna use product table, products table. I'm gonna select everything from products table. Okay, this is all the records and all the fields that we have. Now suppose I want to calculate the average price. So here we've got, different prices. You see different prices for different products. If we want, we can calculate the maximum number, which was 90 something. And the minimum price was 697, I think was the, maximum number. And 6 was the minimum number. Now I want to produce an average of the values which are here in the, price field. In order to do that, I can use average aggregate function. I can say AVG. So calculate the average of price and then return it as average. I'm gonna run this, and in the output, I see the average. As I have told you before in the last episode, these aggregate functions have many use cases. For example, suppose you want to get all the products whose price is greater than this average value. So first you need to, calculate this average value, and then you need to get all the, products whose price is greater than this, average value. We're going to talk about them in detail. As I have told you before, I will probably produce a playlist for SQL exercises, and we're going to have some challenges. We're going to, solve them together. Anyway, select and average. And of course you can say sum. Sum is used to, calculate the sum of the prices. So the sum is 9,099. Just please note that when you want to use sum and average and also count, the null values will be ignored. So if, for example, you have a product with null for the price, that product will not be incorporated when it comes to, calculating the average. And of course, count is used when you want to count the number of products. Product ID. I want to count product ID as count of products. So I just, put a backspace here, and then I added a space. This is probably a bug. I don't know why, but anyway, this is the result. I select the count of product ID from products as, count of products. Count of products is a name for this, field, right? So using count, using max, using min, average, and sum, you can have aggregated values. You can, calculate a single value and put it in the output, or use it in different calculations. Like for example, when you want, as I told you, when you want to get all the customers, all the, products whose price is, I don't know, greater than the average price, or is, lower than the average price. That's all I wanted to talk about. Thank you so much. Just make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and share this video with your friends. They will probably, find this video useful, and they will start using the count, average, and max in their day-to-day tasks. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I have decided to talk about joins. Joins are very important, and as I have told you before, they're a little bit tricky to understand, but we will talk about them step by step. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you later.